Hey, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. So this is S2, your level 99 AliExpress advisor. Today we're being invaded by a super cool product. The product is called INVA-X. Get it? I just said invaded because it's called INVA-X. Pun intended. These are super dope. Let's wait no further because I want to show you what they look like. Boom, 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 boom. It's called Invasion. The reason why it's called Invasion, I have to stand up because it's massive. The reason why it's called Invasion is because it looks like a hybrid between an alien and a spaceship. There's only one, but we got two. Why did we get two? I will tell you in a little bit. Before I unbox these bad boys for you, please like and subscribe our channel down below. It really helps us out. Back to these. Look how cool they are. Yes, you guessed it. This is a speaker, but a couple of cool features. The number one selling point for this is that it has LED lights. The main colors are yellow and purple. Secondly, it's got true wireless pairing, which means if you have two of them, you can actually separate the left and right channel. It's portable, as most speakers are, and it's got a 6-hour plus running battery life without actually plugging in. Pretty impressive. I have not seen these yet, and I am so pumped to see them because obviously the coolest thing about this is that it looks just unreal. It doesn't look like a speaker. Ooh, they give you a nice black packaging. Wow, it looks like a drone. What the heck? Wow. Alright, so this is it. I don't even know where it starts and where it begins. It's so cool. The material is super nice. How much is this? It's around $100. These are the functions here. The top here is the volume. And these here are the legs, which you can actually fully open up. Do you think it looks like a spaceship? I think it's like a mixture between a spaceship, a helmet, and an alien. Super dope. It's actually heavy, which is nice. What's inside the box? Oh, nothing much, just two leads, an aux wire, and then your Type-C charge cable. It's the exact same, it just has black on the sides. Let's go ahead and see how to turn this thing on.
You know you have a manual right next to it.
I do, but I don't need it. It's pretty freaking cool. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. It's super simple to use. You just press this button here. The buttons actually have pictures on it. For anybody who don't like reading the menu, one click and it changes the light on this guy, or it turns it off and on and switches them. I think that's super cool, the fact that they give you the option to either have just this on or the whole thing on. Super neat. The speakers are right in the middle. I think this is super neat, the volume button, how it rolls on top. And even though it's obviously all plastic, it feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. This on this side doesn't seem to have much function, just really cool detail. And then the buttons where the lights are super dope. So even if it's not too bright, you can still see your functions because of the light that's emitting out of here. I really like the clean design of it. They didn't try to make it like super out there. It's still very neat, very clean, but obviously it's super unique. I also like how they actually use the leg as the stand. So when you fold them in, you can either have it like this, or you can have it fully standing up. Let's go ahead and plug these bad boys in. This looks really cool. That's cool. So it actually sounds like an alien, if you've ever heard what an alien sounds like in movies. That is insane. It literally sounds like you're in a theater. My ears are still ringing. That is so freaking dope. Wow. I need a second to like come back from that. That's unreal. So it's not significant, but as you're increasing the bass, you can feel that the music is just getting more bumpy. So you can like really feel the aggression of the music. And as you go down lower on the bass, it gets a little bit just more cleaner and smoother. The sound though, whether you change the bass or not, is so unreal. It's literally unbelievable. So other than being obviously an insanely sick speaker, this is just an insanely cool gadget in your office. I mean, imagine having this in your house. Anybody who comes in right off the bat is gonna wonder what it is. It just looks so cool, it's so unique. I've never seen something like this before. As well, when the music is playing, the light actually blinks through them. So the sound is coming from here, right on top here as well, and around it. It's a surrounding system, but it's just one speaker. That is pretty unreal for the price. All in all, honestly, it's something that I would totally purchase, and for the price, the sound is just incredibly unreal.